They says fun ends as you grow old. So many adults are opting for kick scooters to get to work or simply have fun in the park and streets. Now there are countless varieties of these all over the market, and choosing the most suitable one for you can be a tad bit confusing. There are many products available to choose kick scooters, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best kick scooters from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bezri Kick Scooter for Adults. The Bezri scooter comes with large 7/8-inch wheels that provide speed and comfort. It also comes with the BEC 9 bearings to ensure a smoother ride. They also last much longer without needing to be replaced every year. It's very robust and can handle a max load of 220 pounds. You can fold this scooter up in only a few seconds with just a simple push of a lever. Thanks to the fact that the handlebars can fold up as well, it can be stored practically anywhere. We really appreciate the shoulder strap that Bezri includes with the purchase of this scooter. It attaches to both ends to let you carry it around when you're not using it. Both sides clip off instantly, so you can get right back to riding when you choose to. This company added an angled section to allow your foot to relax right on it for easy braking that won't damage your shoes. There's also a handbrake, so you can choose whichever feels better for you. Number 2. Razor A5 Lux Kick Scooter. Razor has a wide range of scooters on the market, but the A5 Lux is in our opinion the finest of them all. Featuring an aircraft-grade aluminum T-tube and deck, it ensures both durability and a lightweight weighing only 9.4 pounds. Razor A5 Lux is quick and easy to fold and light to carry, making it a great choice for commuters or those looking for a quicker and more hassle-free way to get around. Despite being that light, it still has the ability to withstand a lot of rider weight, 220 pounds to be exact. This is the same as many of the high-end scooters listed here, which goes to show that you do not need to be a big spender if you are a big person. In addition to being light, it also folds easily with its patented folding system, which makes it perfect for commuters, since it can easily be carried into the office or stored away. The wheels are quite large and roll over any kind of surface seamlessly. The deck on the other side is a bit narrow, so if you have big-sized feet, you might not be able to put up both your feet on the deck, especially when wearing boots. Positive side of this product: affordable. Comes in a variety of colors. Made from strong aluminum. Lightweight. Extra large urethane wheels provide a super smooth and comfortable ride. Number 3. Swectron K8 Titan Folding Commuter Kick Scooter. If you are considering getting a scooter for your commute but are still hesitant to spend a lot on it, you might want to consider our budget option, the Swectron K8 Titan Commuter. Don't let the considerably low price fool you though, because this scooter has a lot to offer. The overall weight capacity of this scooter is 250 pounds, which is impressive, considering that it's only 9.75 pounds to carry. You can fold it up to carry into the store, office, or a friend's house. The height of the handlebars can be adjusted with a few snaps. This feature makes it work for people of all ages. Another unique feature of this commuter kick scooter is the fact that it comes with a bell. It's not too loud, but it'll get the attention of those around you. Since the tires are built to last, they would wear down from the excessive pressure on the brake. Positive side of this product: weighs less than 9 pounds to carry easily. Comes with large 200 meters wheels for faster riding. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.